You don't come to St Armands to stay inside. Now you come here for everything right outside your door. And at 763 John Ringling Boulevard, this condo puts you right in the middle of it all. Inside, the space is simple, clean and easy to maintain. The kind of place you can lock and leave or use as your full-time spot without a lot of upkeep. Here, you're not buying square footage, you're buying access to the beach, to dining, to everything that makes this area one of the most desirable in Sarasota. With St Armands Circle right there, the beach is always just a few minutes away, shopping and dining minutes away. At this point, your daily life is a vacation.